sort of Oakhampton, the A30, then it took us off the road, the main road, and put us back. Here we are, parked up at our lovely Devon meet-up. As you can see, it's a bit muddy. I'm stuck. Got tractors and 4x4s, so we'll be okay. We got a marquee, and it should be a good weekend. Hopefully the rain's gonna die down in a bit. Yeah, speak to you in a bit. It's just absolutely pissed it down. The vans are slowly sinking, so probably going to get a tractor to pull us out Saturday and go back to the barn on Sunday. So still be a good laugh, having fish and chips, and speak to you in a bit. Hello there, horsey. Nay. Nay. Oh. There's goats up there, Bev. What? It's goats. Oh. To go up there and have a look. A bit swampy here. Got my old trusty army boots on. Oh, this is the cart plate that's just been dug out. Try and get to the pond this way. A bit dodgy, a bit slimy. Yep, that's a bit muddy. Cool. Look at that. What's over there? Lovely. Get some koi in there. Looks like this is a path, a little bridge to the next field. What's that say? Okay. Oh yeah, look, public footpath. Says public footpath. Is he allowed along here? Oh, cool. Do you open this then? There it is. Really muddy. There. What's over here then? Part of the river probably, no, another part. It's not as high as it was because of the flooding. No, it's not part of the river. Yeah. This is just where the diggers come through. Well, this looks like a lovely little corner. Let's have a look in here. Look at that. Lovely. Bit boggy now. I think I'll make my way back to the van and sit in the marquee and have a chat. Yeah, had so much rain, it's been torrential. The river nearly flooded, which is lucky because if it did flood it would have flooded into the field that we was in, the little field, and we would have just been like, I don't know, like in a pond, I don't know. So lucky it didn't get that high. Yeah, I suppose if the 4x4s don't get us out, then I'm sure this will. So I'm not too worried. Getting pulled out in the morning. Right, let's get some dinner going then. Chicken stew outside in the country. Lovely. Well, they got mine out easy with the 4x4. That's the hole I made. That one and that one. These motorhomes, they just seem to get stuck. I don't know why. But anyway, yeah. And walk up to the pub for a meal later. Roast dinner. Be nice. Yeah, pull that out easy. There you go, easy peasy. Wicked. What?
Will you record me?
Yeah, I'll record you. Can't believe I didn't record myself.
Steve! Church on a Sunday, down on a Monday, nothing in between. Strong on the weekends, but weak when it all ends. I'm dying to be seen. And sometimes your pretty words can really hurt, 'cause you don't love me. No, don't say you do, don't say you do. Love in a sermon, but you're gone when I'm hurting. It's harder to believe. Ooh, I'm here and I'm trying, but you're cold when I'm crying. Is it a sin to leave? And sometimes the kindest sound is silence when you don't have the answers. No, don't say you do, don't say you do. Stop telling me that I belong here. You only love what I can do for you. I know my pain is inconvenient. You're who you say it shouldn't matter. 'Cause sometimes the kindest sound is silence. And sometimes your pretty words can really hurt, 'cause you don't love me. No, don't say you do, don't say you do.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Shall I get rid of this tray?
Well, it's a lot better here. I don't know how much, to be fair. It's still really windy and the van's rocking. Not as much as the cliff pub site, but yeah, you can hear it. Well, hopefully we'll be okay and won't get disturbed. There's a few other vans and motorhomes here. You can see where I'm shaking because it's so windy. Windy!